Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bradley number 9054-P00000. This is a set of posts for their 9054 series towel bars, replacement posts only. Why people buy these? Well, quite frankly, they might be sticking in a post of their own, maybe a piece of acrylic or a piece of wood or something that's going to match the design of what they're working on. Or they simply have lost them, had them vandalized, things of that nature is why someone would buy a replacement post. When you buy one, you're getting one set. One set's going to include two posts. They're literally identical. Well, no, they're not identical. They're handed. One is this hand. The other is this hand. The difference is that they have to be handed because the set screws are on the bottom. One of them I have pulled out so that I could remove and demonstrate the wall hanger that's here. This clip gets attached to the wall, and then what happens is these shoulders here these pins here will rest inside of the shoulders, like so, and just simply gravity will hold it on at that point. Then all you do to finish off the installation after the material is the wall plate is attached to the wall is you tighten the set screw, as I'm doing now. That will draw the plate down and make it secure. Okay. Bradley gets you started with a couple of sets of screws, which is nice. They look like they're about a number 8 by 1 3/4 inches, something in that range, with a truss head for mounting your plates to the wall. Everything is stainless steel, by the way, with a satin, number 4 satin finish. Overall projection of the post, about 3 7/16. Okay, post alone, about 3 inch. Wall to center line, you can see it's about 2 3/4. This is a typical and classic sort of discussion plate dimension. It's going to be 2 by 2. Very common across the Bradley line. Many items will feature this plate, coat hooks, things of that nature. Now the inside dimension of this 3/4 by 3/4, if you were going to manufacture things for this, I might be tempted to not make anything until you have the posts. I can give you very accurate width and height dimensions of these, but I don't know the repeatability of the machining of this item. So if you wanted it to be a real tight fit, you might want to actually measure some of in your hand. 0.759 is the height. 0.756 is the depth. So, 3/10,000ths of an inch off. So basically 3/4 inch should fit in there as long as it was 0.75, or 0.745, something in that range. Okay, very nice, typical item from Bradley. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bradley products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the full product catalog. Here's the summary of Bradley. In my opinion, probably the greatest, best quality Division 10 commercial restroom equipment that you will find. They're not the cheapest. That's not the game that they're in. They are looking, I believe, to be the best quality per dollar spent. And in my experience with Bradley, they accomplish that. If you are considering a project, small or large, and you're not tied to a specific manufacturer and you don't have exposure to Bradley, I would suggest that you give them a shot, maybe bring in a sample and compare it against others. Here's why. Over the years, I have found them continually and repeatedly responsive to customer service requests, technical support requests. The ability to occasionally improve a ship time is within their ability to make happen. Bradley manufactures to order, so there's not tons of the material sitting there ready to go, even though there probably is. But the fact of the matter is there's a lead time with Bradley, so do plan ahead. But I can tell you this, the material from Bradley is always well worth the wait, whether you're talking about mirrors, specimen pass-through cabinets, grab bars, toilet paper dispensers, combination units, soap dispensers, hand dryers, things of that nature. I'm partial to Bradley, And it's not because of any one thing in particular, but I think they bring a full complement to the table when it comes to you, whether you're if you're doing a fast food restaurant, or all the way up to considering an airport terminal renovation. I'd look at Bradley long and hard. If you have any questions on the Bradley 9054-P00000 post sets for the 9054 towel bars or any other Bradley product, please feel free to reach out to us.